welcome to this episode of The Digital Blueprint. I'm joined once again with John. John, welcome.
Thanks, Jim.
Our topic now is social, OTT, and CTV ads, which are a great solution for those advertisers that are looking to do streaming TV. First of all, let's talk about what this is, John.
Yeah, so social OTT CTV is a separate video ad format that replicates video content that they've posted onto their social media channels.
Okay, so we're taking advantage of the 6-to-1 basically noting score of an ad, but we're getting it into different screen sizes. So tell me how that works.
If the advertiser has video content that they've posted to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc., and want to create a CTV ad from that video, that's where social OTT CTV comes in, where we're able to take content that they've posted socially and convert that into a CTV ad.
So something that an advertiser has had a high level of engagements, worked really well, and they want to supercharge it by getting it on these different screens. Well, let's talk through that a little bit. So I'm watching, let's say, I don't know what I'm watching, Texas Walker Ranger and on Pluto. And how does this ad appear?
You know, very similar to CTV OTT advertising and targeting, where we can choose demographics, we can choose behaviorals, we could choose publishers and networks, and we're able to then take their video content that the advertisers posted on their social pages and target those people where they're watching Walker, Texas Ranger, or whatever.
Okay. Any opportunity to get this content on Hulu or YouTube TV?
Absolutely. Yeah. So we take the video post that they've done on their social channel and convert that to a video ad that we can then put on really any streaming network.
Okay. And then the user engages with it since it's on a big screen. How does that work?
So with the video file, and we recommend in videos that are either 10 to 60 seconds, the way the ad is constructed will have like a QR code on there, right? So like if you're watching it on Hulu or, Tubi, or there's a QR code where the user can engage with that to click to get over to the user's website.
And when we run an ad, it will appear on all devices? Do I have to pick a device? How does that work?
We can pick individual devices, whether we want to target, big screens only, or we want to target big screens in mobile devices. So it can go across any screen size.
Let's talk a little bit about best practices as it relates to ad creation. What's the best thing to do, in your opinion?
Yeah, so I think very, very similar to, when you're talking about other ad creatives for advertisers, those that have high quality imagery as it relates to, remodelers, landscapers, home service, et cetera, being able to kind of take the content that they've already curated to be able to convert that to a video ad.
Okay, so normal things like logo, name, description, and then obviously the QR code would be important. And so what's best practice in your opinion of where that QR code should go? So
aesthetically, we can actually kind of place it, in different quadrants of the video ad. Generally, what you might see is in kind of like the lower right hand quadrant.
And then where would that engagement go to?
It can go to the advertiser's website or whatever landing page URL that we designate.
What's preferred method? Just general website or a specific landing page?
Depends, I think, what the video is about. If it's about a specific promotion, it should go to the promotion page. If it's about scheduling an appointment, it should go to the scheduling of an appointment page. So the landing page or the click-through for the QR code can really be tailored to what the video content is about.
And what social media platforms do we have the ability to create technology like this for?
So all the major ones, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, really all the major players as it relates to social media, we can take content and posts that the advertiser's done to convert that to this type of ad.
So really the decision to use this ad type would be that I have a social media channel, I've got really good video content that's highly engaged with, and I'm looking for an additional audience pool.
Correct.
John, thank you very much for your time, and that'll do it for this episode of The Digital Blueprint.